The 5 whys root cause analysis is a problem-solving methodology that involves asking why repeatedly to identify the underlying causes of a particular issue or problem. The goal is to go beyond addressing the symptoms and uncover the root cause, which, once addressed, can lead to more effective and sustainable solutions. So where does it come from? How it works? Are there some practical tips and what are their benefits? In this video, I will discuss these questions with you. Section 1. The origin. The 5 whys root cause analysis originated in the Toyota Production System, TPS, a post-World War II manufacturing philosophy developed by Japanese engineer Taiichi Ohno. Ohno, considered the father of TPS, and Toyota leaders formalized and popularized the 5 whys technique as a crucial problem-solving tool for continuous improvement. Widely adopted since its introduction, it is valued for its simplicity and effectiveness in identifying and addressing root causes in various industries and sectors. Section 2. The process. The 5 whys root cause analysis follows a 7-step process. Step 1. Assemble a team. Gather together people who are familiar with the specifics of the problem and with the process that you're trying to fix. Include someone to act as a facilitator who can keep the team focused on identifying effective countermeasures. Step 2. Define the problem. If you can, observe the problem in action. Discuss it with your team and write a brief, clear problem statement that you all agree on. For example, write your statement on a whiteboard or sticky note, leaving enough space around it to add your answers to the repeated question. Step 3. Ask the first why. Ask your team why the problem is occurring. Please record their answers as succinct phrases, rather than as single words or lengthy statements. For example, saying volume of calls is too high is better than a vague overloaded. Step 4. Ask why 4 more times. For each of the answers that you generated in Step 3, ask 4 further whys in succession. Each time, frame the question in response to the answer you've just recorded. Step 5. Know when to stop. The 5 and 5 whys is really just a rule of thumb. In some cases, you may need to ask why a few more times before you get to the root of the problem. In other cases, you may reach this point before you ask your 5th why. Step 6. Address the root causes. Now that you've identified at least one root cause, you need to discuss and agree on the countermeasures that will prevent the problem from recurring. Step 7. Monitor your measures. Keep a close watch on how effectively your countermeasures eliminate or minimize the initial problem. You may need to amend them or replace them entirely. If this happens, it's a good idea to repeat the 5 whys process to ensure that you've identified the correct root cause. Section 3. Single lane and multiple lane. Generally, there are 2 major approaches of analyzing process: single lane and multiple lane. In a single lane process, the analysis follows a linear approach with one primary investigator or a small team responsible for asking and answering the why questions. In contrast, a multi-lane process involves the collaboration of multiple individuals or teams from different functions or departments. It is particularly useful for addressing complex problems that require diverse perspectives and expertise. The choice between these approaches depends on factors such as the nature and complexity of the problem, organizational culture, and resource availability. Section 4. An example. Let's consider a real-world example involving customer complaints about late deliveries in an e-commerce company. So, the first question should be, why are there late deliveries? The answer is, because the delivery trucks are frequently stuck in traffic. Followed by the answer from the first question, a follow-up question can be, why are the delivery trucks frequently stuck in traffic? Then the answer can be, because the company schedules deliveries during peak traffic hours. Moving on to the third question. Why does the company schedule deliveries during peak traffic hours? Because the delivery schedule is not optimized based on traffic patterns. Next question. Why is the delivery schedule not optimized based on traffic patterns? Because the company doesn't have access to real-time traffic data. And now, the fifth and final question. Why doesn't the company have access to real-time traffic data? Because the company hasn't invested in a transportation management system, TMS, with real-time tracking capabilities. Now, with this insight, the company can consider investing in a TMS to optimize delivery schedules, reduce traffic-related delays, and ensure timely deliveries. Section 5. Tips. Here are some practical tips to enhance the effectiveness of the process. Number 1. Start with a clear problem statement. Clearly define the problem you're trying to address. A well-defined problem statement provides focus and helps the team stay on track during the analysis. Number 2. Encourage open communication. Foster a collaborative environment where team members feel comfortable sharing their thoughts and insights. Open communication helps uncover different perspectives and potential causes. Number 3. Avoid making assumptions. Resist the temptation to make assumptions or jump to conclusions. Base your analysis on data, facts, and evidence, rather than preconceived notions. Number 4. Be specific and concrete. Ensure that the questions and answers are specific and concrete. Vague or general responses may lead to unclear conclusions and hinder the identification of true root causes. Number 5. Include cross-functional perspectives. If possible, involve individuals from different departments or functions in the analysis. This diversity of perspectives can provide a more comprehensive understanding of the problem. Section 6. Benefits. Here are the major benefits of the 5 Whys tool. Number 1. Root cause identification. The primary benefit of the 5 Whys is its ability to dig deep and identify the root cause of a problem. It goes beyond addressing symptoms, helping organizations tackle underlying issues. Number 2. Simplicity and accessibility. The tool is simple to understand and does not require advanced statistical or technical knowledge. This makes it accessible to individuals of all levels of an organization. Number 3. Cultural impact. Encourages a culture of continuous improvement by fostering a mindset of curiosity and problem solving. It empowers employees to ask questions and seek solutions proactively. Number 4. Quick problem resolution. The iterative questioning process can lead to rapid problem resolution. By addressing the root cause, organizations can save time and resources that might have been spent on treating symptoms repeatedly. Number 5. Prevention of recurrence. By addressing the root cause, the 5 Whys helps prevent the recurrence of the same problem, leading to more sustainable solutions. Alright, that's all for today's topic. If you have any questions regarding this video, please leave your thoughts in a comment below. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.